Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I've got a beautiful little 66 Mustang Coupe here, rotisserie restored. She's black, red interior, and she's got a gear shifter, guys. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna pop it up in the air so you can check out how beautiful the underside is. We're gonna take a look at the restoration on the engine bay. We're gonna look at the interior, inside the trunk. We will show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this little coupe. So come on up and we'll fire it up. All right, look at this beauty. Chrome is beautiful, grill's beautiful, emblems look good. Black paint is straight as an arrow. It looks like a big black mirror's been laid on there. Beautiful job on the paint work on it. The hood's lining up nice. Now the gap may be just a tiny bit wide here, but it's nice and straight. Great looking set of wheels and tires. She got some Willwood disc brakes up front. Rocker molding looks good. The red stripe going down the side also really pops. All the stainless looks good, and look at that black paint up there on the roof. It is beautiful. And check out the red interior, man. Isn't that beautiful? Door panel looks good. They've accented it with the black door panel here. All the chrome on the handles look good. The vent window chrome looks good. All the chrome on the dash is in good shape. It's got an aftermarket steering wheel on it there. And there's that 4-speed shifter I was telling you guys about. We've got seat belts in the front and the rear. Back seat looks good. Some 6x9 speakers back there. Headliner's in great shape. Visors even look good. Heck, even the rear view mirror's in good shape. And look at that dash pad. Man, that dash pad is beautiful. It looks brand spanking new. Now look down the quarter. You can see the body work is phenomenal. You see how nice that door shut also. The stainless back here looks good. These trim rings around the tail lights look like they're brand new. Chrome on the back bumper also looks brand new. Inside the trunk, brand new upholstery in there. Looks beautiful in there. Somebody did a good job doing that. All the paint work here looks great. Bottom side of the deck wood's nicely painted. You can see the latches were out when they restored it. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow, no nicks, no scratches, no door dings. Just an amazing looking little coupe here, guys. Let's pop the door open here too. See how nice and smooth that opened up? That door jam's nice and clean. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. We spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Right now, we've got about 225 cars in stock and we own every one of them. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he can tell you anything you need to know about this beautiful little car. All right, let's go for a ride in a Mustang. Sweet little coupe Mustang here, guys. 3-speed with an overdrive, ready to go. Let's go out to the party. This baby is sweet, guys. Black Mustang, all rotisserie restored. You're gonna love it when we park this dream in your drive. So give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive anywhere in the world. You just give him a call at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you just how easy it is. Now we also offer financing. We've got 2 banks we work with. No problem there whatsoever. Just give Tom a call and he'll set you all up with the banker. It's about a 10 or 15 minute phone call with the banker and we get this dream parked in your drive. Now we'll get down here on the dash. Take a look at that dash cluster. All the chrome down there is beautiful. The speedo's working. We got fuel gauge, oil pressure, amp gauge, and a temp gauge. An aftermarket Ford radio here. Just a beautiful little car here, guys. We're right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. If you'd like to fly in, we'd love to have you come down and check out the car. We've got 225 cars in stock, and we're bringing in 40 new cars every month. So we've always got something new coming in. So we'd love to have you come out and take a look. And don't forget, we're buying 40 cars a month too. So if you've got something for sale, or your next door neighbor's got something for sale, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about that too. Now, we sell about 90% of our cars sight unseen on the internet. So not often do we get to meet our customers. I was just at a car show this weekend. I got to meet a lot of our customers. So if you see Tom or I at a car show, please come on up, see us. We'd love to talk to you. Now here's the shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. Now we're gonna do something you don't often get to see. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside, or pop the hood and take a look at what's making the power. All right, let's check this 66 out underneath. As you can see, rotisserie restoration on this one for sure. It's got a new tank, new exhaust. The drop downs here look good. The frame looks great. Trunk floor looks good. We got right around a 3.0 gear in this 8-inch Ford rear end, and it is an open rear end, no posi here. We got new brake lines. The guys will pull the brakes apart and make sure they're in good working order. It's got new shocks. The frame is solid as a rock. We got great looking floorboards here. These look like stainless steel mufflers also. We've got parking brake cables been replaced. And of course, when the rear end sits down, that cable will come off the drive shaft. We got new brake line and fuel line running front to back. As you can see, the floorboards are beautiful. The plugs here, those are actually the holes where the seat bolts are. Frame's all painted up nice. Now this transmission's real rare. This is not a top loader 4-speed. This is a 3-speed with a 4th overdrive. So when you're shifting, it feels like a 4-speed, but it's actually a 3-speed trans with an overdrive. Really rare for this car. Great looking cast bell housing. She's got a mechanical clutch on her. Nice paint on the bottom side of the motor. It looks like the motor mounts are new. The motor mount bolts are new. Sway bar bushings are new. Lower control arms are new. Actually, that's the tie rod end. This is the control arm. Tie rod ends also look new. Willwood disc brakes up front. Sway bar bushings look good. Upper control arms were replaced. Looks like a new alternator here. Bottom side of the radiator looks nice and clean. That radiator hose looks like it's brand new. If I didn't point out the fuel pump already, it also looks new. So you can see there's a lot of new parts under here. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got great looking American Racing. You can see those Willwoods hanging out there. Let's see, 225, 55, 16s. Let's check the rear. All right, drum brakes, and again, like I said, they'll pull them apart, make sure in good working order. Rim looks great, and these BFGs are 255, 50, 16s, and always check this lip right here, and it feels good. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've actually got a 302 making the power. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake on it, a brand new 600 CFM Holley carb. Exhaust manifolds are nice and clean, all new bolts there. Some great looking Taylor wires in there. Looks like the thermostat housing's brand new. It's got a vacuum advanced billet distributor, sending the spark down. Looks like a brand new coil. Shock towers look good. Inner wheelhouses look good. It does have manual steering and manual brakes. Solenoid looks new. It's even got a Motorcraft not carburetor. That's a battery. That's the carburetor. Hey guys, give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.